In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to multiple recipients individually from Microsoft Outlook. So I'm starting here with Outlook open on my computer, and the first thing I'm going to do is go down to the navigation icons and click on the people icon. As soon as I click it, Outlook switches over to my contacts list, and now I can see all the contacts stored in my address book. From here, I scroll through the list and select the contacts I want to email. I click on each contact I want included, and once they're selected, they're highlighted so I know they're ready. Now that I've selected the contacts, I move my mouse up to the top menu and click on Mail Merge. As soon as I click it, the Mail Merge window opens, and this is where I can configure how the email will be sent. Inside this mail merge window, I look for the contacts section and I set it to only selected contacts. This makes sure the email will go only to the contacts I highlighted earlier. Next, I move down to the document type option and I select form letters. This option allows Outlook to create individual messages for each recipient. Then I go to the merge to section and I select email. This tells Outlook that I want to send the merged content as emails instead of printing or creating documents. After that, I see the field for the subject line, so I click inside it and type the subject I want recipients to see in their inbox. Once that's done, I click OK, and Outlook opens a Microsoft Word document. This is where I type the email message itself. I click inside the document and type the message I want to send. This message will be used to create individual emails for each selected contact, so each person receives their own separate copy. After I finish typing the message, I move up to the top of the Word window and click on Finish and Merge. A drop-down menu appears, and from here I select Send Email Messages. Another window appears, and here I make sure all records is selected, so the email goes to every contact I chose. Once everything looks correct, I click OK. At this point, Outlook automatically sends individual emails to each selected contact. Each person receives the email separately, and their addresses are not visible to the other recipients. And that's it. I opened Outlook, went to the People section, selected the contacts, clicked Mail Merge, configured the settings, typed the message in Word, and used Finish and Merge to send the emails individually to each recipient.